Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your order number on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and give someone your order number so that you can start a return. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app, then click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on View All next to Purchase History. Then on this page here, click on an order that you've made before. So we're going to go ahead and click on this order here. And then on the top hand side, it's going to show your order number. So use that order number to send to an associate or customer support. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your order number on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.